kimchi stew. Today, we're diving into the world of Korean cuisine with the classic dish, kimchi jjigae. This spicy and flavorful kimchi stew is perfect for chilly days or when you're craving something comforting. Let's get started. 1. Pour a little bit of oil on medium heat. 2. I use pork shoulder meat. Some people use pork belly or spam. 3. Add kimchi and kimchi juice. 4. Add water until everything is covered. 5. Add garlic and soy sauce. 6. Add dried kelp for taste about 5 to 10 minutes. 7. Add green onion. 8. Take out dried kelp. 9. Add chili pepper paste called gochujang. 10. Taste it, and if it's sour, then add a little bit of sugar. Finish. Enjoy.